Hi, how are you? You can see here a nice canvas which is made with wood, and you can see already a painting in progression. So we're going to put some hills here. So for the mountains, you're just drawing one side with a little bit darker color tone. You can see the work of the brush strokes here. Okay, so there's the one of the tallest mountains in the middle, and we're again taking the colors and drawing some other mountains on the side. This one is little bit smaller, this one in the middle, it's little bit higher. Okay, all right, and the one you can see the smaller one, and the darker shades is on the side and in the bottom part. All right, so putting the graphics on the side. So two mountains you can see here, another one partially visible on the side, and it's on the back side. Okay, so that's why the color tone may be somewhat blurred. Okay, so we're taking the white color to put the snowfalls on top of the each mountains, and later we're going to mix it up within the whole canvas. All right, so this one goes to the taller mountains. Okay, and working on the last one, just follow the brush strokes. How do we work on each of the painting? Okay, so you can see the partially visible artworks. Mountains is complete. Few darker color we can put for the final finishing. Okay, and if you like to put the greeneries here in the bottom, you can take the green color, just putting the darker color tones at the bottom of the mountains. Okay, so lots of colors we're putting here. Awesome. And you can see the ups and downs of the greeneries at the bottom of the mountains with the brush strokes. So this defines the greens at the bottom. All right, and for the birds flying in the sky, you can take the black color and drawing something like the letter V, like this one, which shows the birds are flying. So lots of birds here. Usually they fly together, and in some cases they just travel from one continent to another continent, which are long range birds escaping the winter of the Siberian climates. Okay, so very simple drawing. And if you like to draw trees at the foothills of the mountains, just drawing something like this one. And taller trees have some leaves on the top. Okay, so these are the very simple drawing, and few trees you can draw here with the branches. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.